Ever wondered why you feel that undeniable pull towards someone? It's a universal question that has intrigued humanity for centuries, and the answer lies in the fascinating world of attraction. Attraction isn't merely a superficial concept tied to physical appearances. It's a complex, captivating puzzle that's deeply rooted in the very essence of our biology and psychology. It's an intricate dance between hearts and minds, a silent conversation echoing through the ages. From the butterflies in your stomach to the quickening of your pulse when that special someone walks into a room, attraction is an integral part of our human experience. It's the spark that kindles relationships, the magnetism that draws us together, the invisible thread that weaves the tapestry of human connections. So let's delve into the fascinating science behind what makes us tick when it comes to attraction. Prepare to be amazed as we unravel the enigma of the human heart and mind. Attraction is not just a whimsical feeling, it's a part of our biological makeup. Let's dive into the fascinating world of biology to uncover how it influences our attraction towards others. One of the key players in this biological drama is pheromones, those elusive chemical signals that can subtly affect our perceptions and behavior. You see, pheromones are like nature's secret messengers, silently communicating between individuals and influencing our reactions to each other. In the animal kingdom, pheromones play a huge role in attracting mates. But what about us humans? While the jury is still out on the extent of their influence, research does suggest that our sense of smell may play a more significant role in attraction than we might think. For instance, studies have found that people are often attracted to the natural body scent of individuals who have different immune systems to their own. This could be nature's way of ensuring genetic diversity and healthier offspring. Speaking of genetics, let's talk about another intriguing aspect of biological attraction: genetic compatibility. Ever heard the phrase opposites attract? Well, in terms of genetics, this might be more truth than cliche. Scientifically, it's known as major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. The theory is that we are unconsciously attracted to people with a different MHC to our own. Again, the idea is to increase the chances of producing genetically diverse and robust offspring. But it's not just about the offspring. This genetic diversity can also make the relationship more satisfying. Studies show that couples with different MHC genes report being more satisfied and faithful in their relationships. So from the invisible signals of pheromones to the genetic lottery of MHC, our biology plays a fascinating role in who we are attracted to. It's not all about those dreamy eyes or that infectious laugh. Underneath it all, our bodies are busy making their own assessments and decisions. So it seems our bodies have a secret language all their own when it comes to attraction. But attraction isn't just a biological game, it's a psychological one too. Now, let's delve into the labyrinth of our minds and explore how psychology influences our attractions. You see, while our bodies might respond instinctively to certain physical traits, our minds guide us towards individuals who resonate with our personal experiences, interests, and preferences. One of the most prominent psychological factors in attraction is shared interests. That's right, those book clubs, sports teams, and hobby groups you're part of. They're not just for fun, they're also breeding grounds for romantic connections. When we share interests with someone, we're more likely to view them favorably. It's a subconscious nod to the idea that shared activities foster mutual understanding and connection. Then there's the proximity factor. It seems obvious, but the people we see and interact with the most often are the ones we're most likely to form attachments to. It's a simple case of familiarity breeding attraction. This is why office romances or college sweethearts are such a common phenomenon. The more we encounter someone, the more opportunities our minds have to forge that magnetic bond of attraction. And speaking of familiarity, it also plays a significant role in who we find attractive. Familiarity in this context doesn't just mean knowing someone well, it also refers to the concept of similarity. Studies have shown that we are drawn to people who are like us, whether that's in their physical appearance, their attitudes, or their beliefs. This is known as the similarity attraction effect, a psychological principle asserting that like attracts like. So as you can see, our attractions are shaped by a complex interplay of psychological factors. Our personal experiences, our daily interactions, and even our hobbies all contribute to the mysterious cocktail that is human attraction. It's not just about the physical or biological, It's about the mental and emotional connections we form. So, our minds, not just our bodies, play a crucial role in the mystery of attraction. Now let's examine another key player in attraction, our body language. It's fascinating how our bodies can often communicate our feelings even before we utter a single word. Imagine two people on a first date. They may be silent, but their nonverbal cues tell a story. The prolonged eye contact, the way they lean in towards each other, and even the seemingly shy touches all spell out a language of attraction. Our posture can be a silent testament to our interest. An open posture, for instance, signals warmth and receptiveness, while a closed posture might suggest discomfort or disinterest. Touch, too, is a powerful communicator. A light touch on the arm or a gentle pat on the back can ignite a spark of attraction. Interestingly, these signals are not exclusive to romantic attraction. They play a crucial role in other forms of human connection, too, such as friendships and professional relationships. So the way we move and interact can say a lot about our feelings of attraction. So, we've seen that attraction is a complex interplay of biology, psychology, and body language. It's an intricate dance of subtle signals and not-so-subtle cues, a silent communication that can make or break romantic connections. We've delved into the biological basis of attraction, exploring how our bodies and brains work in tandem to select potential partners. We've also journeyed into the realms of psychology, understanding how our past experiences and personal preferences shape who we're drawn to. And let's not forget the power of body language, those nonverbal cues that can speak volumes about our intentions and feelings. Attraction, as we've seen, is a multifaceted phenomenon that goes beyond physical appearance. It's a fascinating blend of science and emotion, a mystery that we're only just beginning to unravel. Remember, understanding the science of attraction can help us make sense of our feelings and navigate our relationships more effectively. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of human connections.